In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "there was a problem with the server 400" error on the YouTube app. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps Management. Next, tap Manage Apps and search for Google Play Services. Open Google Play Services from the list. Now tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Storage or Manage Storage, then select Clear All Data. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the installation to finish. Once the update is complete, finally, open the YouTube app again and check if the "there was a problem with the server 400" error has been fixed. That's it. This is how you can fix the YouTube server error 400 on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.